Waze conversational reporting is starting to roll out. All right. It lets you literally call out road incidents. So they're saying that Waze wants to get in on the AI fray as well. All right. They said, we got it. AI is here, is here to stay, and we're going to incorporate it into our system, into our infrastructure. And now they're allowing conversational reporting feature for incidents and obstructions when using their navigation system. All right. And they're saying that you will soon be able to use voice commands and natural language to effectively tell the navigation system if there is an incident or obstruction while driving or as a passenger. And instead of requiring extra screen taps and touches, this function allows you to focus on the road and describe what you're seeing, such as there's a mattress in the road or there's a traffic jam up ahead. And Waze will ask you possibly a follow-up question if more information is required for specific details. And then you can describe what you see. And all you have to do to start all of this is you'll just need to tap the reporting button and then start talking naturally. The AI can understand the context and natural language, so the specific phrase you might forget is not necessarily required. It does it all for you. The AI is already built in. All you have to do is just tap the reporting button. And once you tap the reporting button, it does all the work for you. They're also saying here that once accepted, Waze will use the data from conversational reporting data to populate real-time maps and inform other road users of the obstacle, obstruction, or incident. Conversational reporting is being launched in beta on the Waze app for Android and iOS globally. So it's not just in the United States, but it's only going to be available in English or the English language. And they're saying that other language features or support features is coming in the near future. And Waze is also adding a live school zone. So that way, with the live school zone, they're saying that the maps will give you the ability for users to edit or alter these areas when driving near or through a school zone. You'll be given extra cues to help ensure the safety of pedestrians and other road users. The feature will begin rolling out later this year. Interesting. Now, the question that I have for you is, do you think the Waze has something here? 1, this needed to be done. Glad they did it. 2, I'm not feeling this update. 3, makes sense considering you can't have your phone and drive. Or 4, I don't use Waze, so no harm, no foul. 1, 2, 3, or 4, let us know in the comments. Do you think Waze has something with this new conversational reporting? It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.